What's up, YouTube? So I got another quick Bitcoin update for you guys, and I'm going to break down this trade that I took on Bitcoin yesterday. So if you've been following me on Twitter, you most likely know about this trade. Let's just jump right into the chart and take a look at it. All right, so let's see. Like you guys might remember, I posted a tweet the other day where let's see if I can actually find the actual tweet. So I posted, let me see if I can find it. All right, here we go. Here it is. Let me just take a screenshot. Here we go. All right, so if you guys remember, like if you've been following me on Twitter, you know that I've posted this 2 days ago. I remember, like if you guys, yeah, so I posted this and I told you guys that if we get a 4-hour open and close up below 9.7k, I would activate this short setup. And let me show you what happened. We did get a 4-hour open and close above 9.7. Here is 9.7 and we got the 4-hour open and close above. I activated my short setup here, shorted the previous range low, and my last take profit all the way down here at 8,947 got hit perfectly. So a very nice 7-hour trade on this one. This one was posted on Twitter, and I've also talked about it actively in my webinars and my live streams in the Burb Nest for the exclusive Nest Club members. If you guys are interested in that, we are actually having a 7 days trial on the Burb Nest. So check out, go to my profile on Twitter, and you will most likely find the link. And if you guys are following CryptoBurb, he has a tweet out too. So send a message to CryptoBurb, and he will sort you out with a 7 days trial on to join the Burb Nest, where you will find much more setup like this one. So let me just break down what happened here and why I wanted to short this. It's pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. We have this range up here. Let me show you on the 15 minute. We have this range up here. I think I drew it on, yeah, I can speak, on the 1 hour chart. So as you can see here, when drawing a range, you want to use the high up here, like the high of this impulsive move, and then down to the recent low, and this forms a range, right? And the range EQ is this middle line, and just like we got we lost this support being range EQ, we came up for a bearish retest. I was looking for exactly the same reaction here. Breakdown, rounded retest, come up and test range low again, and as you can see, we've been testing this support over and over again, and eventually when you get a test like that, it will break. And this was just a textbook example of a breakdown and retest, right? So wait for support to fail, then short the first rounded retest of that level. And the take profits areas are pretty simple, right? The first one, let me show you, is the first take profit area was previous range high up here. Second one was these highs here, confluent with this one here, because it acted as resistance here, broke out, retested. So next time we come down here, I expected a bounce, right? And the third take profit was at range EQ, and the fourth one is pretty obvious. It's this low here, this area, and the last one all the way down here at the breakout area, right down here. So as you can see, filled perfectly, and congratulations to anyone who followed that, either by the live webinars where we actually shorted this live for the members of the Nest Club, or if you followed me on Twitter, right? So now let's remove this one, and we will take a look at the current price of Bitcoin to see if we can find any new setups. Just a quick update on the price. Let's go to Bitstamp. So we're actually having a pretty nice move here just now. Add the moving averages here, like that, 21 EMA on daily. There we go. So we are holding the 21 EMA on daily, which is a very good sign, right? And we have this area confluent with This support is 8,500, confident with the 21 EM and a daily. So, like I've been telling the members of the Burb Nest community all along, as long as we hold the 21 EM and daily, I see a move up to 9.2 to 9.3, very likely. And if we reclaim that area, I expect a move up to this high time frame resistance between 10.2 and 10.5k resistance. That's what I'm looking for right now. If we fail to hold the 21 EMA in a daily, I'm looking for a move back down to the breakout area around 8k. So that's just very simple update for you guys. That's what I'm looking for. Let's go down into the 4 hour to see if we can find any actual setup forming here. So we have this level up here that we are now testing as resistance. Let's go down to the 1 hour. I'm seeing something here. I'm definitely seeing something here. We have a level here. As you can see, we have a range here. Let's mark out the range high here, right? So let's mark the range high here, this area like this. So I'm thinking maybe we'll see a possible long setup forming here by waiting for, I'd say I want to wait for just like I wanted to wait for a 4 hour open and close above here or below this one up here. I want to see if we can actually get a 4 hour open and close above this area for a potential long up here. Where would the stop loss be? Well, let's see. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Where would the stop loss be? Probably below this wick. So the setup would look something like this, right? This is probably something I'm looking at. This is not an actual, like, this is not a setup that you should follow. You should do your own analysis. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, and do not blindly follow me. You need to make your own trading decisions based on your own technical analysis, or you will most likely lose all your money in the long run. So this is like something like this I'm looking at. Obviously, this is not a good R setup. You can use a tighter stop, obviously, maybe even up here. But I like to have my stop below the low of this one. So it's kind of looks like we're getting a fake out right now. But if we get a 4 hour open and close, I might activate this setup. All right, so we're going into the halving today. Probably, I think it's going to be today. According to Binance, it's going to be today, later today, tonight, and other websites I see tomorrow, early tomorrow or tonight, but probably tonight, I think. So with the halving coming up, I'm not sure, to be honest. I think that the top is in, to be honest. I think we got reacted up here, and I think we are going down to 8k. That's what I'm looking for. I think we're getting reacted up here for a move down here. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking to long a move up here and then possibly short this area down here. But if we reclaim this area, I'm gonna long a move up to 10.2 to 10.5. And if we reclaim this area, guys, that's the area that we need to reclaim for a very, 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 very strong bullish move to the fucking moon, guys. So reclaim this high time frame resistance, like showed here. Reclaim the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, also known as the short RLC. Reclaim this area, guys, and we are off to the fucking moon, guys. Alright, so thanks for watching and see you next time. I'll try to make as many videos as possible for you guys like this, but yeah, I don't always have the time, but I'll try to provide you guys with as much content as possible. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the little bell button if you want to, get notified whenever I post a setup. It looks like it's booming pretty nicely now. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we can get that halving pump that everybody's waiting for. Alright guys, take care and see you next time.